Are you ready for another crypto bull market? Every 4 years, Bitcoin goes through its block reward halving event, which splits the supply of newly minted coins on the network in half. This usually spurs significant price action. We'll cover this and other major indicators showing that we are finally seeing an end to the 2 years of sideways chop in the markets. And Chainlink is breaking out. Do you know much about this game-changing blockchain technology? It's going to bridge the world of traditional finance to crypto. We have a Chainlink explainer video in the works, but in the meantime, we'll cover more about this current breakout in today's crypto news. It's time to brush up on your crypto knowledge so you don't miss out on the rewards of the coming cycle. Check out the Liquid Gold Explainer playlist and get yourself ready for what's to come. Last year I made a prediction video of the 3 highest potential cryptocurrencies for 2023, and one of them was Chainlink. As always, these videos are for educational purposes only, they're not financial advice. If you haven't come across Chainlink and the significance of the technology, now is a great time to brush up. The recent price rise this month to $15 is small pickings given where this technology can go in the coming years. The hype is likely due to the release of the CCIP, the Chainlink Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, which is a protocol that connects traditional finance to blockchain technology. It's a much better solution than the current bridging technology that is constantly getting hacked and people are losing lots of money. The CCIP is allowing a bridge between the biggest intermediaries in the world, like SWIFT, the global financial messaging system, and blockchain technology. Chainlink recently made a successful landmark asset tokenization experiment with ANZ Bank, where they tokenized carbon credits on the Ethereum blockchain and moved money from their bank to the blockchain using stablecoins. There are a few flashing indicators showing that we may finally be out of the sideways chop that has consolidated the crypto bear market into a new phase of adoption. The rumor mill is heating up, and crypto Twitter is ablaze with talk about the first Bitcoin ETFs coming to market. But first, let's talk about the most reliable bull market indicator that we're seeing flashing right now. Every 4 years, the Bitcoin network goes through its halvening event, which is where the network rules enforce a deflationary cut onto the supply of newly minted coins onto the blockchain. The amount of coins released when a block is secured every 10 minutes is halved in 2. Historically, the supply started at 50 Bitcoins being released every 10 minutes in 2009, and then it split to 25 coins in 2012, 12.5 coins in 2016, 6.25 in 2020, and now we're about to see the next halvening split to 3.125 coins around April 24th, 2024. History teaches us that the 6 to 9 month period before the event generates a substantial amount of media and expectation and usually leads to a strong price increase. So if you've been out of the market for the last 2 years, now is a good time to brush up on your crypto knowledge and ease back into the liquidity pool. Once again, the next halvening event is expected to be around April 24th of next year, so put that one in your calendar and keep it in mind. Another potent narrative that is making its way around the market is the upcoming release of the first Bitcoin ETF on the US share markets. This is significant because it is a gateway for a new cohort of investors to enter the crypto space. So the older generation of investors, born before the rise of the internet, they've heard about this technology and the investing opportunity, but they wouldn't feel anywhere near comfortable touching the technology themselves. So present them with a gateway to buy crypto through the share market. They'll tell their financial advisors to load up. So think about the insurance funds, the pension funds. They'll want to purchase ETF shares to put in their investing portfolio, and they couldn't do that up until now without directly being responsible for managing their own crypto. Now that there's an ETF, think companies buying up shares of the ETF to put on their balance sheets. Really, most people just want to get away from the risk of personal security with ETFs, and the ETF will handle this for you. Currently, there are 12 ETFs being assessed for release by the SEC regulatory body of the American markets. After years of debate and delay, we're finally at a point where there aren't any factors left to delay the decision of the release onto the markets. BlackRock, the $10 trillion asset management firm, the biggest asset management firm in the world, has stated that the demand for an ETF from their customers is high. The floodgates are waiting to be opened, so release the ETF. That's all for today's crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next update.